when I was transitioning from a 25 years to IT career into a nonprofit sector to really align my life with the lifelong passion of youth empowerment and youth leadership development.
And the GRACE model, what does it stand for?
The GRACE model is just basically it's 5 values. It's like character education. It stands for gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. And I have a book called Living in Grace. You can check it out on Amazon. Actually, I have a course. It's Living Your Best Life with Grace.com/course.
All these things, grace, respect, attitude, courage, engagement, my whole engagement with people changed. And they could actually see it. People started telling me, you look so happy, you look different. And nothing really changed except that switch in my mind.
But beautiful, Kaki, you see, you take in whatever negative you accept, you turn it around and send out love. Oh my gosh, that gives me goosebumps.
Yeah, that is the
all
power.
about grace.
That is the power that we have. Yeah.
Yes.
And I would love to welcome any of you coming in, because my dream is how can I bring this grace model to across United States, Canada, and around the world to help students to really empowering themselves to be successful.
Hi, my name is Han, and I'm a facilitator for the youth, for the teens. What I got out of the program was I met a lot of youth, and they all had different personalities that I love so much. I hope in the future they can come back and continue what I've been doing when they grow up, and they can support the younger youth like themselves.
So it is your lens, and your lens really depends on how you look at things. What is your bias? What is your prejudice? What you're looking for? What you have thought out a lot. The key and important point is that you do have your choice to pick up the lens that serves you. And practicing grace also helps you to develop your inner strength.
And each of you in your community, you can become the light that you can bring to your student, to your people, and you have what it takes.
Absolutely. Thank you all for your time, for sharing your insight, your experience. It's been an absolute pleasure talking to you. They're all up there, so find them, connect on LinkedIn. Let's keep the conversation going, and join me in a round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you.